Hey Sparkle Besties, the Nintendo Switch, it still fits in here. It literally can still do everything that it was designed to do. Here you can see it resting in here and it fits perfectly. I made sure of that when I was designing it. You can still remove this so that you can put your cords in the back here. So USB port, and then the AC adapter still goes in, and then this just snaps right back on. If I can get it to snap right back on like that. Bam. So that's in there, and then this, it goes in and out, comes out. This over here, and then you can see this is our handheld piece, and game over. Time to sparkle. So yeah, it still does what it needs to do. As far as hooking up to the TV goes, I haven't done that yet because I don't really play mine on the TV. Hold on, I think it's coming on. But yeah, I don't really play mine on the screen. I will go try to hook it up in my husband's man cave and see. But yeah, I wanted to show you all that it does. It fits. It really does fit. And it looks so pretty with all the sparkle. I love it so much. And yes, I just try to be careful when I'm taking it in and out, because I mean, it is still handmade crystal work and I don't want to disturb the crystals. But as long as I wait and give it enough time for it to properly dry, then there's no issue. This still opens here and it sits like so. So you can open it and then you can move it around. It opens like all the way up and everything. So yeah, I did try my best to make sure that it was still fully functional. So if you all like this, let me know below. It took me about, I want to say 22 hours altogether to do the Joy-Cons, the back, and the console itself. So I just gently remove them, sliding them off so you can see. And that. I don't plan on removing my Joy-Cons often. I did purchase another set of Joy-Cons so that I can put them into the Joy-Con grip accessory that came with my Nintendo Switch, because that is actually what the Joy-Cons don't fit in with the bling. So I bought another set that I'm going to put inside that grip accessory, and I'll show you guys that in another video later on. I hope you like it. I love it. I'm going to play my games and I will talk to you later. Bye.